Hello and welcome back to Chris Hair. How you doing? Happy International Labor Day. So guys, this is another beautiful twist video for your baby girls. So I actually did this video. I've been showing you guys other methods, but this is another method. Her hair is all natural. Guys, please when using wool to braid your hair, always ensure or make sure you moisturize your hair very well before braiding, because wool can be so drying. Like wool can actually rip off all the moisture from your hair, so you want to first of all go ahead and moisturize your hair very well. And this part I'm braiding, you're not supposed to tighten the braid too much from the roots. I'm braiding all through, but right to the end of her hair, but you can just braid like halfway and start rubbing. So I use 4 wool to braid, and now I'm using 2 wool to twist around to form the locks. And please don't tighten it from the root, because you don't want her hair to break. So light hand, not heavy hand, from the root of her hair. So we just keep flipping over as I am doing here. Thank you for always watching my video. Like the video, subscribe if you have not yet, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload another video you'll be instantly notified. So guys, we just keep braiding. As you can see me braiding here, we braid right through up. It doesn't have to be too tight. Don't tighten it too much from the root so that it doesn't like rip off your hair or break your hair, because wool is so drying and it can easily break the hair. So I'm going in to add another 2 strands of wool to continue braiding right to the part that I want it to be. And when the length is okay for me, I'm going to just tie a knot, as you can see me doing here. Tie a knot to secure it. Cut off the extra hair, and I'm actually determining the length I want the hair to be, and it twists the longer part over the shorter part, just like this. Very easy and simple. There we go, we have our beautiful twist. Guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, hello, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We are making the world a better place in our little way. So the process continue till we are done with the hair. So I always tell you guys, watch the video to the end, because the most important part of my videos or my tutorials is the explanation, because I always try my best to give you detailed explanation so that when you watch the video you understand, and when like doing your own the same hairstyle you get the best result. So this is what we've got here, and we're just going to keep continuing the process. So keep watching right to the end.